Hi everyone, it's Andrew from RunSensible. In this video, I will show you how to set up and use RunSensible's IVR system to automate call management, direct clients efficiently, and enhance your firm's communication. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Let's begin. An interactive voice response (IVR) system is an automated communication tool tailored for legal firms to manage client calls effectively. It uses pre-recorded voice prompts to present callers with a menu of options, allowing them to navigate the system and select the appropriate service using their phone keypad. This automation directs clients to the correct department, reduces wait times, and improves overall client satisfaction. The IVR can also provide essential information, such as office hours or case status updates, enabling legal firms to handle a higher call volume while maintaining a professional and responsive client experience. This approach streamlines call handling and frees up staff time, allowing the firm to focus on delivering legal services. To create an IVR, interactive voice response system, start by navigating to Settings, which can be found at the top right corner of your screen. Within the Settings menu, click on the Phone option, followed by selecting IVR. This section will display a list of all previously created IVRs, allowing you to view, edit, remove, or manage existing configurations. The IVR panel is designed to help you manage multiple IVRs based on the specific needs of your organization. To begin creating a new IVR, click the Create IVR button located at the top right corner of the IVR panel. This will open the IVR setup box where you can start building your IVR. Click on the Add button inside the IVR box to access the setup panel on the left side of your screen. Here, you will need to assign a name to your new IVR in the Name field. Once you have named your IVR, click on the Upload Audio button to upload your pre-recorded IVR voice file into the system. The uploaded audio file serves as the guide for your IVR and will be the initial greeting or message that callers hear when they interact with your phone system. After the audio file has been uploaded, the next crucial step is to configure the flow or pathway of the IVR system. This involves defining the navigation options that callers will encounter based on the instructions outlined in your IVR voice file. You can create a customized call flow by setting up various options, such as directing callers to specific departments, providing recorded information, or allowing them to connect directly with an operator. Clearly mapping out the IVR pathways will ensure that callers can easily navigate through your system based on their needs. Within the IVR setup panel, you have the option to toggle 3 features, one of which is the Has Optional Extensions button. When activated, this feature allows callers to connect directly to specific extensions within your organization after they have dialed the main IVR number. By turning on this option, you unlock 2 distinct methods of utilizing extensions in your IVR system. The first approach involves including detailed information about available extensions in the IVR voice file itself. This means that as callers navigate the IVR menu, they will hear prompts that list the specific extension numbers they can dial. This method is ideal for organizations that want to offer a clear menu of extension options to all callers, making it easy for them to connect with the right person or department directly. The second approach caters to callers who already know the extension they want to reach. In this case, you do not need to include extension information in the IVR voice file. Instead, callers who are familiar with the extension numbers can dial the main IVR number and enter the desired extension directly using their phone keypad. This method streamlines the process for returning clients or internal staff who prefer quick and direct access to specific contacts without navigating the full IVR menu. The next feature in your IVR setup is the Set Digits button. When you toggle this button, you can link specific keys on the phone keypad to various actions within the IVR menu. This feature offers flexibility, allowing you to assign any digit from 0 to 9, as well as the special characters like star key or pound key to predefined tasks. By doing so, you can create a more streamlined navigation experience, making it easier for callers to access the services or departments they need without unnecessary delays. To configure a digit, start by selecting it from the Digit drop-down menu. This choice determines which key the caller needs to press to trigger a specific action. After selecting a digit, you will need to define the action it will perform using the Type menu. The menu provides various options to suit different call management needs, such as connecting the caller to another IVR, directing them to an internal extension, or routing the call to a specific group. This setup allows for a highly customized experience tailored to the structure and requirements of your organization. The options available in the Type menu play a crucial role in building a dynamic, responsive IVR system that can effectively guide callers through various stages of their inquiries. One of the options is selecting IVR, which lets you build a multi-layered and hierarchical structure within your phone system. This feature allows you to guide callers through a series of specialized submenus based on their needs. Once you've made your selection, click on the Save button at the bottom of the screen. This action concludes the initial phase of IVR. After clicking the Save button, you'll be able to view all the actions you assign to digits and timeouts in a tree diagram format. Moving on to the next phase, it's essential to detail the action types you've previously set for digits. To define the actions for specific digits in your IVR system, you can navigate to the corresponding digit action in the tree diagram. There is also an Edit button to allow you to make modifications as you need. The IVR panel is where you can start by typing a name for your IVR in the designated IVR name box. Next, use the Upload Audio button located to upload your IVR voice file. Additionally, in this panel, you'll find the set digit, which work as described earlier. You can utilize these buttons to configure actions associated with specific digits in your IVR system. Regardless of whether you're dealing with digit actions, the process of defining action types remains uniform. Click the Save button, then navigate to the tree diagram and locate the Add button at the bottom of the node. Clicking this button will open a panel where you can enter and define the detailed actions for the selected digit. Start by selecting the IVR name and uploading the voice file. Next, toggle Set Digits on and follow the previously defined procedures. This time, choose Extension from the drop-down menu to specify where the caller will be connected. Click the Save button again. Then proceed to the Add button on the tree diagram. Select the specific extension from the drop-down menu in Dial Extension panel, where you will have two options: Set on No Answer and Set on Busy. By activating the Set on No Answer button, you can define a specific action to take when the selected extension does not respond to the caller. This feature gives you the ability to handle situations where there is no response from the intended recipient. Similarly, by activating the Set on Busy button, you can specify an action to be taken when the chosen extension is already engaged in another call. This functionality allows you to handle scenarios where the extension is occupied. After activating either of these buttons, select Dial Group option from the Type drop-down menu and click Save button. Locate Add button and the Dial Group panel will appear on the right side of your screen. You can select one of the predefined groups that you have set up within the system. Next, you'll find the Group Type drop-down menu. This menu determines how the system selects and connects the caller to the members within the chosen group. By default, the group type is set to serial, which means that the system will ring the phone or extension of each member in the group one after another sequentially. If you prefer to have all the extensions within the group ring simultaneously, you can change the group type to parallel. This means that when a call comes in, all the members' phones or extensions in the group will ring at the same time. Alternatively, if you want the system to randomly select one of the extensions within the group to receive the call, you can set the group type to random. In this case, the system will randomly choose a member from the group to connect with the caller. By choosing the appropriate group type, you can customize how the system handles the distribution of calls within the selected group. If you want callers to wait in a queue when all the extensions in the group are busy with other calls, you can activate the Queue button. Activating this feature ensures that callers are placed in a queue and do not get disconnected if all the extensions are currently engaged. The use of the Set on No Answer and Set on Busy buttons has been conveyed as instructed before. After selecting either of these buttons, choose Announce from Action Type drop-down menu and click on Save button. Click on Add button in the tree diagram, and you will be directed to the Announce panel. From there, locate the Announce drop-down menu, which will display a list of the announcements you have previously added to your system. From this list, you can select the specific announcement you want the caller to hear when they press the relevant digits. By selecting the appropriate announcement, you can provide callers with relevant information or instructions during their interaction with the system. These announcements can be customized to guide callers, provide updates, or deliver important messages. If you activate the Set on Success button, you can define a specific action that will take place once the announcements have been successfully played. If you want to give callers the option to listen to the IVR voice file again, choose Repeat for the corresponding digit. This allows callers to replay the IVR voice file in case they missed any information during their initial interaction. If you add a voicemail feature to your IVR system, it lets callers leave a message when they can't reach someone directly, such as during after hours or when the line is busy. This feature is very helpful because it makes sure that important messages aren't missed. Once you have chosen the extension, finalize the configuration by clicking the Save button located at the bottom of the panel. This ensures that all settings are applied and the voicemail setup is complete, helping you manage missed calls and providing a reliable fallback option for your IVR system. If needed, you can make modifications at any time using the Edit button. This visual representation offers a clear overview of the IVR structure, helping you navigate the assigned actions easily. Each node on this diagram represents a specific action tied to a digit or a timeout, providing an intuitive way to review and modify the IVR setup. Once you've finished setting up the IVR system, click the Save and Close button in the top right corner of your screen. You'll be redirected to the main IVR page, where your new setup will appear in the list of previously created IVRs. You can modify or delete it anytime using the Edit and Remove buttons. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. As always, we want to thank you for choosing RunSensible.